Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is November 16th, Monday, and on this post, I'm going to be talking to you about the overall crypto markets, as well as diving into some of the charts for Yearn Finance, YFIUSD. I'm going to be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. We're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Let me know what symbols you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now, let's take a look exactly at what's going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance, currently at about 66%, up about 0.6% from yesterday. This breaks down to both Bitcoin price action and total altcoin price action is up. However, Bitcoin price action is going up more, as you guys can see, up almost 5%, comparing to the total altcoin market cap up only over 3%. Now, this brings to my point, and I have mentioned since my previous post, I do think that Bitcoin price action and dominance are going to continue trending up, because on the daily time frame, as I have mentioned, that the bearish divergence on the daily time frame looks like it could be avoided by either one of those, or by Bitcoin price action making a higher high in today or tomorrow. So we're going to see if that happens. However, if Bitcoin dominance continues trending up, I think in this cycle, though, that will bring a lot of altcoins up with it, because my reasoning is, if we actually take a look at a lot of the altcoins, RSI, Relative Strength Index, on the higher time frames, such as the 3-day and the weekly, I can see a lot of the RSI readings on those time frames are either at or near oversold levels. This tells me that they would have a lot more room to run on the upside versus a smaller amount of room to run on the downside. Okay, plus they have been selling off for the past 2 months in September and October. So this is my reasoning, but I might very well be wrong. You guys let me know what you think. Now let's go to YFIUSD and see what exactly is going on. Let's take a look at the 12-hour time frame and see a more clear picture of the current price action right now. So I have 2 scenarios for the current situation, because it looks like either one of them could play out. So I have a possible ascending triangle pattern that has formed with the resistance at about 19.5K, versus a possible rising wedge pattern that could also be the situation right now. Now, the rising wedge pattern is a bearish pattern, okay, that is favoring the bears and could signal a breakdown. However, an ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. So we have a bullish pattern inside a bearish pattern. Which one would it be? Now, first of all, that is the evaluation of the current situation right now. We do have possible bearish divergence on the 12-hour as well, if we don't make a higher high on the RSI, along with an equal or higher high on the price action chart. Something to be mindful of, that is part of my risk management plan. Now, let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenarios according to this interesting situation we have here. Now, part 1 of the bullish case scenario, of course, will be for price action to actually break above this top trend line right here of the possible ascending triangle. However, I do see near resistance that could be coming right up, which would be this fib level right here at about 21,000. Okay, see if that will get rejected and bring it all the way back down to this bottom trend line of the possible rising wedge pattern. Okay, that is part 1 of the bullish case scenario for price action to actually come up to this fib level right here. Okay, if this top trend line is broken, this fib level right here would be about 21,000. That would be the next price target. Part 2 of the bullish case scenario, of course, would be for price action to actually break this upper trend line of a possible rising wedge pattern. That will invalidate this rising wedge pattern and tell me that price action will continue going up. The next price target, given that price action stays above this fib level, would be about 25.5K. Now, be very careful. Price action has to stay above this fib level for me to expect this price target. Okay, so this is a very interesting situation right here. We're going to see if this plays out. Now, always have to consider the bearish case scenario. Anything could happen at any time. If either of these patterns break down, so regardless if this is an ascending triangle pattern or a falling wedge pattern, if it breaks down, the price target, which is by measuring the opening of the pattern, okay? So it would be at the very least, if it breaks down, the minimum price target would be, depending on the breakout point, of course, but if it does break out within, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, within the next 3 days, okay, the measured price target would be about 12,400. Okay, now let's explore some of the possible supports that are in that level, in that neighborhood of a level. We do have the key level that I'm keeping my eye out on, which would be the daily 21 simple moving average, which has been the divide of this downtrend from going from this downtrend to the uptrend, as you guys can see if we zoom out to the daily charts. Okay, something to be mindful of. And also taking another zoom out to the 3-day chart right here, we do have a 3-day candle that is currently being resisted by the 3-day 21 simple moving average, getting a solid close above this 3-day 21 simple moving average would make a lot more convincing case that this is going to continue upwards. But of course, still considering what I mentioned here in this interesting scenario of a bullish pattern inside a bearish pattern. You guys let me know what you think. Okay, so this concludes my update on Yearn Finance today. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and see you next time.